Stop me if this sounds familiar. You wake up already tired. You grab your phone, scroll for a few minutes, drink coffee, and somehow you feel worse by noon. That's not laziness. That's programming. In the first hour after you wake up, your brain is highly impressionable, and most people program it for stress. These habits change that. No apps, no 4 a.m. routines, just simple biology that actually works. Habit number 1, the 60-second wake-up reset. When you wake up, don't touch your phone. Not yet. For the first 60 seconds, do nothing. No scrolling, no messages, no reacting. Just breathe. Slow inhale. Slow exhale. That single minute lowers cortisol, the stress hormone that spikes the moment you see notifications. It also increases serotonin, the chemical that stabilizes your mood. You're not wasting time. You're telling your brain, this day starts intentionally, and your brain listens. 60 seconds. That's all it takes to stop the stress loop before it starts. Habit number 2, morning light reset. Before your brain fully wakes up, it's looking for one signal. Light tells your body when the day begins. Just 2 to 3 minutes of natural morning light raises mood-stabilizing chemicals and aligns your internal clock. You don't need effort. You don't need discipline. Just open the curtains. Let the light hit your eyes. That's your body's natural on switch. Habit number 3, make your bed. Your brain responds to completion. Small, simple wins release dopamine. Dopamine creates momentum. Making your bed isn't about being neat. It's about starting the day already capable. One task finished, before anything else begins. Habit number 4, 10 deep breaths. Before you engage the world, slow the system. 10 slow breaths activate your body's calm response. Anxiety drops. Focus sharpens. You don't calm your mind by force. You calm your body first. Everything else follows. Habit number 5, water before coffee. You wake up dehydrated. Your brain feels it. Drinking water first restores balance, focus, and energy. Caffeine can wait. Stability comes before stimulation. Water first, then coffee. Habit number 6, 1 minute of movement. Your body is designed to move before it thinks. 1 minute of gentle movement releases endorphins. Mood improves. Energy rises. This isn't exercise, it's a signal. We're awake. We're alive. Habit number 7, daily intention. Don't plan your entire day. Choose how you want to show up. One sentence is enough. Clarity reduces mental noise. Direction creates calm. When your brain knows the tone, it follows it. Habit number 8, protect the first hour. The first hour after waking programs your emotional baseline. Your brain is highly impressionable. What you consume now sets the weight of your day. Negativity early makes everything heavier. Protect this hour. It's your foundation. Habit number 9, gratitude. Scan. You don't need a journal. Just take 30 seconds to notice one good thing. A person, a moment, something ahead. Gratitude activates your brain's reward system. Perspective shifts. Mood follows. Habit number 10, happiness anchor. Before the world decides your mood, choose one moment of joy. Small, intentional, on purpose. Your brain holds on to the first joy it feels. That emotional tone stays with you for hours. This is how you stop reacting and start creating your day. Closing. You don't need all 10 habits. Start with 1, done consistently. Your day doesn't start at work. It starts the moment you open your eyes, and that moment is yours.